Alright, I'm testing my homemade Hobie style bait tank. I put an inline fuse, 3 amps right there. I got a switch, and I'm using a 6-volt power system. 6 volts, 4.5 amps each. That gives me 14 amps. And there's my dry box, got it all sealed up. My drain, I put these on to hold it on. Actually 13.5 amps of power. Doing my test right now, hangs over the side. Put my rod holders on finally. I actually put a second drain about halfway down so that I can have 2 tank levels. And there's the inside of my tank. Here's my outlet, my 90. I got a hose that goes to the bottom so that it keeps the water circulating from the bottom up. And stainless hardware, and I protected my hardware with those pieces of clear hose so that any bait that's in there won't rub up against it and hurt themselves. Also on the center drain right there, I put a stainless steel screen cover with marine goop to keep any shrimp, small pilchards, etc. from coming out. I've got a Rule 360 bilge pump, which I'm running at 6 volts, a lot less RPM, but you can see that my output is just about perfect. Runs right over the side into my scupper holes. I've got a good flow in the tank. And so that's it. I don't need the Hobie style pump suction to prime it. I just throw it over the side, hook it to the side of my yak, and this battery hopefully will give me a good 6 to 8 hours out on the water, maybe even more. A solar panel might even help out. I know there's flexible ones out there. My brother bought one for his yak, but there it is, guys. Dry box from Walmart, alarm battery, 6 volt, drain, some rod holders, some straps to keep it from falling off the boat, a handle, piece of hose, a 90, a bilge pump, a dog food container, and there you go. Didn't cost me 300 bucks, cost me about 50. Thanks for your tips, and keep it on up, guys.